Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on the 5th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has identified Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.34. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 8%. This amounts to an average return of 1% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is to be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $289.69 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 22.61% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 45.75% to negative 20%. In examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 40.6%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 16.93% to 169.83% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $327.71 and $756.22. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock price down 2.42% on Monday. The Tesla stock price fell by 2.42% on the last day, which was Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, from $287.21 to $280.26. During the most recent trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.87%, reaching a low of $274.40 and a high of $285.01. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 23.19% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume declined on the last day, which is considered a positive indicator as volume should typically follow the stock price. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 20 million shares, with a total of 94 million shares traded for approximately $26.38 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, while the lowest was $167.41. Currently, the price is 42.63%, or $208.28. below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Elon Musk's recent political maneuvers are bringing uncertainty to Tesla, which could negatively impact investor confidence. His alignment with political figures has raised concerns among some shareholders, leading to a noticeable decline in stock performance. As of today, Tesla's shares are down approximately 3.5%, reflecting broader issues with sales in critical European markets. Reports indicate that some markets are witnessing sales drops of up to 81%, primarily due to increased competition from manufacturers like BYD. This decline in sales, despite a surge in overall electric vehicle sales in Europe, suggests a significant challenge for Tesla as it tries to maintain its market position. Additionally, the departure of loyal customers and investors raises questions about the brand's future appeal. Analysts currently describe Tesla's trading trend as sideways, indicating a lack of clear direction, which may deter prospective buyers in the short term. In the long run, sustained pressure on sales and competition may compel Tesla to rethink strategies, potentially impacting its innovation pipeline and stock valuation. investors will need to closely monitor how the company adapts to these market challenges and any shifts in management strategy, as they could significantly influence Tesla's stock price trajectory moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy rating, accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs provided Tesla with a neutral rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler rated Tesla as overweight, while also suggesting a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush gave Tesla an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Tesla a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have provided the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock currently displays a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is present from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $284.72. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $259.05. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, with the stock rising by 26.32% since then. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact the near-term development. Notably, the volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which diminishes the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence-divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 19 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 59 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 7 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a sell signal 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 46 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $272.20. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. Given the broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.61 between its high and low, representing 3.87%. Throughout the past week, the daily average volatility for the stock has been 4.63%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 0.420. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Tesla stands at $282.76. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla's first support level is situated at $272.20. If this support level holds firm, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of May 2025, Kathleen Wilson Thompson sold 125,010 shares of non-qualified stock options. On the same day, Kathleen Wilson Thompson sold 219. Our recommended stop loss is set at $267.07, which represents a decline of 4.71%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a higher risk profile. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 18 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we anticipate Tesla to open lower by 37 cents, starting trading at $279.89. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.